Will be showing you how to reverse a video on TikTok. But before we start with the tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get into the video. What you're gonna do first is open the TikTok and then click on the plus icon here where you will record a video. So you can either record a video or upload a video. I'm just going to upload one. So once you select the video, tap on next and the video will be uploaded. So this is just me walking on the streets. So you can see I'm walking ahead, and to reverse this video, what I can do is click on the effects option over here and then scroll at the bottom here and click on the time button and then click on the reverse option. So now I'm walking backwards. So this is how you reverse your video on TikTok, and then tap on next and then click on post, and this video will be posted.